Hi guys, today I am sharing the recipe for Bakrid special Karahi boti. So look at the texture of the gravy. The meat here is so tender and the gravy is oozing. So let's start preparing. For this I am going to take boneless meat around 400 grams. This recipe is for 400 grams. I am adding little bit of salt, 1 onion roughly chopped, 200 ml of water, little bit of turmeric powder, and I am going to pressure cook it until it is nicely cooked. So for 4 to 5 whistles approximately. Now you can see that the meat is nicely cooked. Now in a separate karahi I am going to heat up around 4 tablespoons of oil, and when the oil is nicely heated I am going to add a spoon of cumin seed. When the cumin seed splutters, I am going to add 1.5 spoon ginger garlic paste. Now fry this nicely until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Into this I will be adding the meat. Now the flame is on high. Into this I am adding 1 tomato which I have roughly chopped and 3 red chilies which I have crushed. 1 spoon of black pepper powder, and I am going to fry this nicely. When it is boiled nicely, I am going to go ahead and cover it with a lid so that the water and the stock cooks nicely with the tomatoes. So I am going to cook it for 10 minutes or 5 to 7 minutes. So I am going to check it after 7 minutes. The tomatoes have turned very soft and the gravy is reduced to half. So I am going to keep on stirring it and cook it on high flame. Now into this I will also be adding 1 tablespoon fresh cream and 2 tablespoon curd. Now keep on stirring it cook it on high flame until oil starts to ooze out from the mutton. So after 3 to 4 minutes it turns out to be like this. As you can see, the texture of the gravy turns out superb and oil has started to separate from all the sides. Oil has oozes out. This Karahi boti recipe is perfect with boneless meat. So now it is perfectly ready. The texture is superb and the masala is also very well cooked. I am going to serve it out. To serve Karahi boti, I am going to garnish it with julienne cut gingers, some sliced green chili and chopped coriander leaves. So do try this recipe and please let me know how it turned out. I would request you guys to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel with bell icon to do not miss updates of my future uploads. Thank you for watching this video. Bye guys.